Kaizer Chiefs abakasayini kakhulu.
Yeah, Kaizer Chiefs didn't make a lot of signing, and for me, that's a bit worrying.
I think
That's a bit worrying because uh shows you are comfortable ngale squad zakho that didn't win anything last season.
sometimes folks I don't think ba helping a squad.
Mm.
But but I think they they there are some financial problems in the football club because
Mm.
if even if ujonga the last time they sign a player like baya kwi-bank bathatha imali and then bathenga iplayer. I think it was when they were signing that time besasayina Ashley Dupreez
Mm.
bagqibela ngoko nje ukusayina iplayer.
So they don't usually break the bank for a player.
So
They depend on free agents.
yeah,
Mm.
even if uyochecka indlela abasayinayo uRonald Lena uintroduce uba namhlanje uya-exuda uya-exita kwesikhokhoni as free agent.
Mm.
Tomorrow seke senatural uyosayina iphepha just because baya-understand ba if bamyeka edla free agent for maybe a week
Another team will take it.
sebe late because
Mm.
uyi-free agent mos ezinye items zamthatha, so that is why like but they are waiting for any chance to come even if no maybe umzekelo ngoku i-player from Mamelodi Sundowns can become free like Siphelele Mkhulisa for example can become free.
Mm. They will rush.
They will rush to
So they didn't make any move on Shaluli.
no, just because the Pirates already
Made it.
seyibambele phambili because
And what about on Mbule?
Umbule already signed a contract with Zako.
Yeah, ngisho before because obviously early June he was released, right? Is what was it? Early June.
I
Yeah,
think
early June.
I think the situation ka Mbule was planned and the agent yakhe knew it very well ukuthi okay Mbule is going to Izakho. That is why they decided not to renew a contract with Orlando Pirates.
Okay.
It's not like he terminated the contract or he ran out of the contract
Wasn't
and
it
then
the club that decided not to? Was it him?
the agent and the club surely they did talk
Beforehand.
ukuthi okay there's no need to renew a contract kaSipho Mbule. As much as we understand ukuthi utalented kangakanani and maybe neclub esamdinga but for now uyamove to iclub ethile.
Okay, so there was no way for Kaizer Chiefs to make him.
There was no way.
Okay. Now let's dive deep into the starting lineup here, Kaizer Chiefs. So for the upcoming season, what do you make of it? What do you think is gonna happen there?
If the rumors are true, goalkeeper would be I'll go for Ronald Lane. Yeah. Go for Ronald Lane.
Okay.
In that
So
position.
Peterson
Peterson have a second option.
Okay.
On the left back position.
But
obvious.
Peterson is their number one goalkeeper. You think after a good season like that, they will just
But
bench
folks,
him?
we have to look at some things like the save that Ronald Lane has made for a team like Skokune. Yeah. And then you think of okay, goalkeeper osemcha hungry for everything for achieve some very good things in this football club. So akazofana nomuntu obesehlele kula club. So surely uzawufuna ulwela position yakhe.
Ngiyakubamba.
That's why I
Then
ndingachoose uhamba no Lane.
Then your back four?
Back four, it's quite shaky because they lost Ethan McCart to Sabah.
McCarthy is gone.
So left back, obvious. Our own Bradley Cross. He's a very good player. He's a very, very good player, Bradley Cross.
Yeah, he's good.
So-
Otherwise, he wouldn't have gotten the call up.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
Liaga Hugo Pros, selector.
So in that left hand
college.
side, I'll go for Bradley Cross, and then on right hand side for Thabiso Munyane. Now the problem is the center back pairing. We didn't see consistency throughout the past seasons in that position.
Area,
Yeah, they've been picking, chopping, pasting. Yeah, so there was no solid.
Playing
Yeah,
that pair at the back.
but for now, I think if they choose to play Msimango and also Dudley if he's back.
And I feel Chiefs needs to give my player time to play. For one.
Yeah,
game,
one
but
game and
Chiefs
then
abafaka
we just because of I understand the quality Umsimango akanayo. And then many Kaizer Chiefs fans singangavumelani nami just because high. But equality kaMsimango, he's a very, very good player.
Bamba folks. So we
For
right.
a right centre back and then left centre back Roshin Dudley.
Okay.
If he is available, because last season behlutshwa kakhulu injuries, but there were some talks zokuthi okay, he's back. Yeah. So left centre back uDudley. In the midfield now, wow. There are like quite some many players who can play in that midfield, but I'll choose two for a double pivot.
Double pivot.
Yeah, because I have Ndlovu and Lebogang Mabo.
Okay.
Yeah. Ndlovu is giving Kaizer Chiefs a lot of good things last season. I remember edlala nePirates apho kwakuthiwa udlala ikarati. Why kwi-Sundowns ungadlala ikarati. Like folks, at some point you have to listen to the coach and then understand coach ufunani. Uhambe ebaleni wenze exactly lento afuna ucoach.
Yeah.
And then at the end of the day, if abayithandi bezifans, ucoach if uyayithanda and then inincedile, it's fine. Umzekelo nje awuzawubaya ngaphandle kancinci. Umzekelo iArsenal bekuthiwa hayi idlala nge-corner kicks abantu bengayithandi laa nto.
Beyibasebenzela le nto.
But bona ibasebenzele bazi-champions ze-Premier League. Bahamba bayodlala bayojika ku-final lentuka just because of bebethi uma bethola i-set piece bayenza sure ukuthi bayekora. So if i-plan yakho iyakusebenzela for wena, never mind about the others. So i-Kaizer Chiefs yayisebenza i-plan yabo because okwakripa omufukwini bebakhaba izihloko and doing everything wrong. Yabasebenzela, they ended up getting it draw against Orlando Pirates.
So Ndlovu to do that.
To do the dirty work.
So we condone that behavior.
I don't say they condone folks, but you know most if we are playing teams that are coming with lot of pressure, you need to have that kind of a player who's gonna like
diffuse the situation.
Yeah, diffuse the situation. Like even if you look at Kaizer Chiefs back in the days, like they were having Katsande.
Yeah, I know that.
Katsande bekavele nje ithi mayiqala beze Sundowns ngespeed akere. Yabo. And then bazawucinga enye indlela ukuza maybe but okay, we are going wide because midfield ivaliwe yabo. So itshintshile already game plan yabo yabo. So
ngiyabamba lapho.
Yeah, folks.
Then asichubeka.
Mabuwe yena ke he's been doing very, very well. That is why he was amongst the 6 players that were selected to be in that World Cup squad.
Then who are you deploying as Mawin?
Number 10.
Lollipop.
I will start with number 10.
Okay.
Number 10 position, I'll just go for Mduduzi Shabalala.
What's the current situation on his injuries? Has he recovered?
Surely he's recovered, folks, because it's a very long time now.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
I'm not sure about the fitness, but Sundowns wakrichwa nguJaden Adams was very painful, very painful tackle.
That was
very
Cupido got injury.
Yeah,
it was tough that game.
It was very tough.
So okay, number 10 Mdudu
Shabalala in that number 10 position.
Then your wingers, who are you
in those wingers? I'm putting in the left hand side. I'm putting Langelihle Phili from Stellenbosch. Wow. There were rumors that Kaizer Chiefs are chasing the signature of Langelihle Phili, and trust me, if they got...
Is it rumors or is it an update, like verified?
Rumors, and then like Fogza, Kaizer Chiefs made an official
statement
bid.
Okay.
But rejected because Stellenbosch increased the money.
Okay.
So check ukuthi bafuna imali, but iStellenbosch sinyusa imali sathi Kaizer Chiefs meze nalo mali, but aska
offer a swap.
No.
Then
but nje bafuna imali.
Okay.
So iKaizer Chiefs akabuyi for a second attempt ukuthi okay sise interested kule play.
Do you think they're gonna acquire?
Yeah.
Chiefs is not known for breaking the bank. You mentioned that.
And that's the problem. And they did this to Khanyisa Mayo. Khanyisa Mayo was playing for Cape Town City. Baya kwenyusa imali bajika.
But they
wasayinwa. But my worry is they only increase imali kwiKaizer Chiefs, but qobe bathengisele ezinye teams because uMayo no Elias Mukwana, I think, because uMayo yena i-Chiefs nemali kwa increase imali. Kwafika le team beyidlalela iBelouizdad yabeka i-offer encinci than Kaizer Chiefs yamfumana. That's the problem. And then now uLangelihle Phili, but the ambitions zikaPhili uthe yena ufuna ukudlala overseas akaziboni siya kwenye team. And then we all know overseas yaseMzansi, it's only one overseas eMzansi, Mamelodi Sundowns. If a player yathi ifuna ukudlala overseas, all of a sudden Sundowns yam introduce.
Okay. Then as a right winger.
So in that right wing I would go for this boy. Who's this boy? Vilakazi. Yeah.
Lollipop?
No.
Uyakora ngema-cross.
No.
Uyashaya ama-cross akora.
Folks, asazi ngeke sibelieve kufluke. Folks ngeke ungitshele ukuthi.
Okay, so ngala ufaka le ntwana le
Vilakazi, and I wish Vilakazi angafumana coach one day ozawubelieve
kuwe.
Athi my boy ndiyakujula. Today you will play full 90 minutes whether you are doing right or wrong. Today you are playing full 90 minutes. Ndiyakuyeka.
Usho ukuthi
angadeliver. But this thing of uba sibukele uVilakazi edlala 12 minutes, 15 minutes, isizini izophela 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. No, that's not it, folks.
Kumele banede le ntwana full 90 minutes.
Full 90 minutes.
Adlala akhombise talent
perform adlale next match bamfaka full. But
i-potential yakhe lapho
because he has great very soon uzawudazi feel nabo okay confidence yakhe high ascore a goal. As soon as I score one goal yenyuka confidence.
But what score yakhumbula that days uyehleka ukuthi celebrate blind.
Yeah, but what about the next game? Benching. That's the problem, folks. You score today, the next. That's the problem with Kaizer Chiefs. They like to reshuffle every time they are reshuffling. Why? Sometimes you even ask yourself, who's the number one goalkeeper is Kaizer Chiefs? Like Orlando Pirates, you don't even know. Some of the fans, they don't even know who's the second choice goalkeeper at Orlando Pirates. Some of the fans, they don't even know who is the second choice goalkeeper at Mamelodi Sundowns. Just because you'll always say Williams. You must be consistent in your lineup.
Got you. Then, as a striker, who's your Skull Simple Boys? Or who's your Scully Simple Boys?
They are having a problem in the striking position.
Oh, there's only one strike.
But for me,
there's only one strike.
I also wanted Pirates to sign that player. Flavio da Silva. That guy can score, folks.
There's only one strike.
Ayakora out there. Ikora folks, yazi folks, abantwana they don't understand i-duty or i-role is a striker. You don't have to have a trailer, team.
You just need to
score goal. Simple. Haaland yesterday I was watching Norway versus Brazil. He didn't touch ball. Like, I don't think Haaland has more than 50 touches in that game. Trap, net, shoot, goal. Header, goal. Done. Pelili game.
Fast nje.
Simple.
Now let's move to Orlando Pirates.